Hello and welcome back to the Master Soil Engineering. In this video, you will learn that how much water we need to add to a borrow pit material soil if it has a certain natural water content to raise its water content up to a desired level. Okay, I have been given a question which states that the natural water content of a borrow pit material is known to be 8%, assuming we are taking 5,500 grams of wet soil, use it for laboratory compaction test points. Okay, we have to compute how much water we need to add to other 5,500 gram samples to bring their water content up to 11%, 15%, 18%, 22%, and 26%. Okay, so for our soil sample, natural water content of this borrow pit soil is 8% or 0.008. Total mass of the soil, that is total mass of the sample, is 5,500 grams. Okay, so water content, we know that water content is given as mass of water divided by mass of solids. Okay, so mass of water, since water content is 0.008, mass of water is 0.08 into mass of solid. This is for the borrow pit soil. Okay, and since mass of solids it will remain constant, we will first determine the mass of solid for the natural moisture condition. Okay, so total mass of the soil, it is given as mass of solid plus mass of water. Okay, and total mass of the soil is 5,500 grams is equal to mass of solid plus 0.08 times mass of solids. From this you can calculate the mass of solid, which is equal to 5092.6 gram is the mass of solid in the sample of 5,500 gram. Okay, and mass of water in this sample will be 0.08 times 5092.6, which is 407.41 grams is the mass of water that is in the natural condition in the borrow pit soil. Okay, now we have to take the sample, another sample of the same borrow pit soil, and raise its water content first to the 11%, and we need to calculate that how much water we need to add to this soil so that its water content becomes 11%. Okay, initially it has 8%, we have to raise its water content to 11%, and for that we have to calculate the mass of water which we need to add to this borrow pit soil to raise its water content to 11%. Okay, so mass of water, since mass of solids will remain constant, okay, in the sample, so mass of water will be mass of water which we need in the sample will be 0.11, since 11% is 0.11 into 5092.6, which is 560.19 grams of water should be present in the sample of 5,500 grams. Okay, so that its water content will be 11%. Okay, so additional water which we need to add to bring its water content to 11% is, since initially it has a mass of water equal to 407.41 grams, to raise its water content to 11%, mass of water in the sample should be equal to 560.19 grams. So additional water which we have to add is 560.19 minus 407.41, which is equal to 152.78 grams of water you need to add to this borrow pit material soil so that its water content is raised to 11%. Similarly, for 15% water content, mass of water which needs to be present in the soil so that its water content is 15% is 0.15 times 5092.6, which is 763.89 grams. Additional water which we need to add to bring its water content to 15% is 763.89 minus mass of water which is present in the natural condition, which is 407.41, which is equal to 356.48 grams. Okay, and for water content to equal to 18%, a mass of water which should be present in the sample is 0.18 times mass of solid, which is 5092.6, which is equal to 916.67 grams. Okay, additional water which we need to add to bring water content to 18% is 916.67 minus water content in the natural condition, which is 407.41, 0.41, which is equal to 509.26 grams of water you need to add to this soil to bring its water content to 18%. Okay, and for water content equal 22%, mass of water should be 0.22 into 5092.6, which is 1120.37 grams. Okay, additional water which you need to add to bring its water content to 22% is 1120.37 minus 407.41, which is 712.96 grams of water you need to add to this soil to bring its water content to 22%. Okay, and finally, for the last water content, which is 26%, mass of water which needs to be present in the soil is 0.26 into 5092.6, which is 1324.08 grams. Okay, additional water which we need to add to this soil to bring its water content to 26% is 1324.08 minus 407.41, which is 916.67 grams of water you need to add to this borrow pit material soil so that its water content is equal to 26%. Okay, so this is how you can calculate that how much water you need to add to a borrow pit material soil if it has a certain water content to raise its water content to a desired level. Okay, this is needed when we are compacting the soil, when we are taking the soil from a borrow pit and compacting it at a certain desired water content level. Okay, I hope this solution video was clear and effective and you definitely learned something new. If you still have doubts, you can write them in the comment box. I will try my best to answer your doubts. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, you can like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching Master Civil Engineering, and stay tuned.